Guys, so thank you for tuning into my channel. Can't wait. Well, anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this Osmo Mobile 2, see what's all about. Very interested, and I'm gonna see how it performs, if it can actually track me around and do other things. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, so this is my setup here, my tripod. There we go from here. See if the Osmo Mobile can handle the this kind of wind. So to do this, I think you gotta have a decent kind of stand. You don't want a flimsy tripod. You want a decent one, especially with the wind. But we're gonna go ahead and try it out and go from here. Look guys, so you guys can see here, just doing my Osmo Mobile 2. Start tracking me down. Pretty awesome. Let me see if I can go really quick. See if I can go really quick. Amazing. Anyway, amazing what this thing can do. Blowing. It's blowing with the gust right now. You can see it's gusty. But we go from there. What you want to do is I suggest put your backpack, put some weight into it. It's just the fact that it's the wind and you don't want your you know, Osmo Mobile 2 to like flow everywhere out here or hit something and mess up your phone. So what you want to do is grab your bag. Anything has a weight to it, so what it does is just stable it from the wind. So this is my setup. I have my bag right there, and I'm just gonna see how this thing is gonna track me. So what I do is there's a trick to do it. I just go in front of the frame here, and then I should be on. So whatever I do, even though jump will be here, it's still tracking me. If it does lose you in the frame, you can definitely here. And remember, I have that back for a reason. No, he still got me. So still tracking me down. That's a cool thing about it. So if you're doing like any sports or you just want to run around, look at that. It still follows you even though you go down this way. So he got me in a slow motion. Tracking me, even though I go here with a strong guts. Woo! Still catch up with me. Woo! Still catch up with me. That's the cool thing about it, I guess. It's blowing like crazy out here. You can see the wind. Now I have this handheld here. You can see if I affect any video setting. So I'm gonna go ahead and